Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
I'm Catherine Balamino. I'm 42 years old. I'm married. I have 3 children at the age of 23, 18, and 14. I'm Pentecost in my religion. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. I'm the youngest in my family. I have
Are you an ex-abroad?
I'm ex-abroad.
What is your educational attainment?
Domestic helper.
Educational attainment. Did you finish your college?
I'm high school graduate, ma'am.
Okay. So you worked before in what country?
Qatar, ma'am.
Qatar. How long you worked in Qatar?
2 years, ma'am.
2 years. And how many members of the family did you serve?
8, ma'am.
Who are the 8 members of the family?
The mother, 1 brother, 6 daughter, and 1 granddaughter.
Okay, so it means your employer have a brother stay in the house, or that his son? Is she his son or a brother?
Son, ma'am.
Son. Okay, so she has 5 daughters and 1 son.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am, yes.
okay. And the granddaughter is how old?
8 years old, ma'am.
Okay, 8 years old. So what did you do as a helper in the house?
Cleaning, washing, take care of the kids, the children, all, helping for cooking.
You go to market?
No,
So who did the marketing?
madam.
Okay, your madam. So how many helpers in the house?
1 month.
Only you.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any day off before in Qatar?
I have ma'am, but once in a month, ma'am, but have time 3
hours.
only, ma'am.
Okay. So why you did not renew your contract with your employer?
My employer, ma'am, is good, but my problem is so many in the house and very big the house, ma'am.
Okay, so you cannot handle the
Yes, ma'am, I cannot.
family members anymore because there are so many. Okay. And why you want to work in Hong Kong?
I like to work in Hong Kong, ma'am, because I like to finish study my daughter.
Okay, for your children education. And how long you want to work in Hong Kong?
If my madam reads me and like me, I will work for him for,
So as long your employer needs you, will work with them?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. If your day off will not fall on Sunday, you will be given only weekdays off. Is that okay for you?
It's okay, ma'am.
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to look for a newly born baby in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
You have kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And are you afraid of any pet?
No, ma'am.
If ever, are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Your future employer is if ever there's an emergency in the Philippines, what will you do?
I will handle, ma'am, the problem so that I will call to my family to handle the another. But I didn't go in the Philippines because I like to work.
So you will still work with them, your employer, and not decide to go home.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you were homesick, what will you do?
I handle, ma'am, I work properly.
So you concentrate to your
I
work.
concentrate to my work, ma'am, to my employer.
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
No, ma'am.
You're not ready yet?
I know.
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am. I think in the home.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am,
so
I'm ready.
okay, your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them? Your message to your future employer.
I do my responsibilities and my duties, ma'am. And I'm hardworking, so I like to finish my contract to my future employer.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2257.